Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to layer orders correctly. Note that this is my personal strategy and I find it very suitable, so I am sharing it with the community. I really hope that when everyone adopts this strategy, this order layering strategy, then if it's correct, if it's suitable, then everyone can apply it. If not, we can ignore it. As on the chart, we can see that we currently have two orders placed, one here and one here. So I managed to place two orders and everyone can see that I placed a buy order, which means I predicted that gold would rise. The reason I placed the buy order is very simple, because I see that fundamentally in the long term, gold could rise due to high unemployment and inflation. So that's my opinion. From that, I also predict that gold is likely to rise in the future, so I choose. The way is to go long. Additionally, there are some technical indicators that support my decision to go long. For example, on the screen, the candlestick price is above the moving average, so the price is currently increasing. This moving average is the 6-period moving average, also known as MA6, so I've decided to go long. When the price is above the moving average, it indicates an uptrend. So I placed an order here. After waiting for this candle to confirm and placing an order above, it went down that day, but today it has risen quite a distance. In the next videos, I will share the mindset I use for trading. So here, the higher we go, the more orders we stack. Note that when stacking these orders, each of them should have the same volume. For example, if we choose to stack orders of 0.01 lots, then up here it's also 0.01 lots. Most of us, when we overload orders, we often do it very differently. Here we load 1 lot, and up here we load 3 lots. The higher it goes, the more dangerous it gets, but we still overload more. After a while of trading, I realized that the higher it goes, the more I experience fear of missing out. I was scared, so I realized something, that if every command I enter a command, if they are equal, then their mass will be equal. And the higher we go, the happier we are, because we are not afraid that the higher we go, the less afraid we are of losing money. Because the higher you go, for example, up here, it's very dangerous because gold is very high already. So it's very dangerous. Therefore, so as you go higher, you can't push more orders. The higher you get, the less you can push with a large number of lots. So you just match the lot size with the initial order. Over a long period, it will make us very comfortable and at ease. It helps us avoid FOMO, allowing us to trade calmly and peacefully. So those are some of my perspectives on placing orders. But mostly I see people tend to place orders like, for example, if I play up here, if I play up here, if I play up here, if I place the order, I will double the order size. For example, if it's 1 lot here, then it will be 2 lots here. If the price goes up to here, we will make a lot of profit because we can catch the bottom here. But mostly, if we buy here, we can cut losses here. If we cut losses here, we will lose this order. We do not average down the opposite way, but we average up following the trend. According to the main trend, we never average down the opposite way because we see that averaging down is very dangerous. So we do not choose the style of averaging down. So those are a few of my thoughts. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. All right, goodbye everyone. See you in the next videos. And if you have any interesting strategies, please share them with me and comment below this video. Bye-bye.